In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a heart in Adobe Illustrator using simple shapes and built-in tools. This is a beginner-friendly method that doesn't require the pen tool, and you can use this technique for logos, icons, social media graphics, stickers, or any creative project. If you enjoy Illustrator tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future design tips. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Once your artboard is ready, go over to the toolbar and select the Rectangle tool or simply press M on your keyboard. Click and drag on the artboard to draw a vertical rectangle. The exact size doesn't matter too much, but try to keep the proportions balanced so it's not too thin or too wide. With the rectangle selected, look for the small circular corner widgets inside the shape. Click and drag one of those corner widgets inward to round the corners. As you drag, you'll see the rectangle transform into a rounded rectangle. Keep dragging until the top corners are fully rounded and the shape looks like a capsule. This rounded top is going to form the upper curve of our heart. Now we need to rotate this shape. Make sure it's selected, then move your cursor slightly outside one of the corners until you see the rotate icon. Click and rotate the shape 45 degrees to the left. If you want more precision, you can go to the top menu, choose Object, then Transform, then Rotate and type in 45 degrees. Now you should have a diagonal rounded shape. Next, we're going to duplicate it. Press Ctrl-C to copy, and then press Ctrl-F to paste it directly in front in the exact same position. You won't see a difference yet because the copy is perfectly aligned on top of the original. With the copied shape still selected, rotate it -45 degrees so it tilts in the opposite direction. You should now see two rounded shapes intersecting at the bottom, already starting to resemble a heart. Now it's time to combine them properly. Select both shapes by holding Shift and clicking each one, or by dragging a selection box around them. Then activate the Shape Builder tool by pressing Shift-M. With the Shape Builder active, you'll see a mesh appear over the overlapping areas. Click and drag across the top two rounded sections to merge them into one unified shape. Then hold down the Alt key and click on the extra bottom pieces you don't need to remove them. As you delete those extra sections, the remaining combined shape will form a clean heart. At this point, you already have a solid heart shape, but we can make it more dynamic. With the heart selected, go up to the top menu and click Effect, then Warp and choose Fisheye. In the Warp Options dialog box, make sure Preview is turned on so you can see the changes live. Adjust the fisheye bend value to around 20%. This will slightly puff out the center, giving your heart a softer and more organic appearance. Once you're happy with the look, click OK. And that's it! You've successfully created a heart in Illustrator using basic shapes, rotation, the Shape Builder tool, and a simple warp effect. This method is fast, clean, and completely editable, which makes it perfect for all kinds of design work. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.